In this video we are doing the spinal warm-up, or without the roller, foam roller, and you're just doing mobility work. So you're rotating. That will be the first step that you just saw. This is the second step, especially if you're comfortable with the first step, and this will be the third step. So if you feel that the first two are easy, then progress to this one. Feel that's too hard, then rather regress. This is just another variation, different form, and another variation, different form. You can choose one or two of those. You don't need to do all of them, but I do recommend mixing it up and see what works best for you. Right, this is middle back. You literally, when you exhale, you push, and you push off with your arm against the leg. This is lats and obliques. You stretch out as far as you can. Do it on both left and right, and then glutes. Go down as far as you can. Lower back, you can bend that knee and go down as far as you can. Exhale every time you're trying to stretch. So remember, you did the inchworm the first time. Now it's time to compare, and you're going to fill out the details below. So this is the exact same video as you saw before, and you're just comparing. How does it feel? How does your lower back feel? How does your shoulder feel? Maybe your abs even feel a little bit more free. This one, and you're also comparing your spine mobility. So see the difference there, and then also fill out the details below. You should be able to go lower, but I want to know what your comments are. Thank you.